Welcome to Elbi land.
Our friend little Elbi has lost their favorite number.
10. It's a mystery. Our adventure starts now. Elbi is walking in the forest green, sees 3 red mushrooms, the best ever seen. 3. 7 yellow flowers start to brightly grow. +7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10.
We did it again!
Wow, we made 10. But where did the number go? It disappeared. Let's follow the path to the sea. 10 little fingers clap, long bunny ears twitch. Number 10, 10, 10, 10. 1 and 0 meet up to make the special. 10. Count it, add it, subtract it, it always comes back. 10. Now Elbi, searching by the ocean shore, finds 10 shiny seashells. 10. But 2 little seagulls fly away so high.
-2.
10 minus 2 is 8.
Only 8.
The seagulls brought the 2 shells back.
+2.
8 plus 2 brings us right back to 10. 10 is tricky, but Elbi won't give up.
Next stop, the big bright farm.
Let's see what we can find there.
At the farm there are 4 yummy carrots.
4.
Elbi wants to make
10.
with a happy blink. 6 more carrots we plant in the row.
+6.
4 plus 6 is watch our numbers grow.
4 plus 6 is 10.
Carrots everywhere.
4 and 6 are a perfect pair.
10 little fingers clap, long bunny ears twitch. Number 10, 10, 10, 10. 1 and 0 meet up to make the special.
10.
Count it, add it, subtract it, it always comes back. 10. Elbi looks up high in the beautiful sky.
10 fluffy white clouds slowly drift by.
10. The strong wind blows and 5 clouds disappear.
-5. 10 minus 5 is, let's count. Who is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 clouds left, but that's okay. 5 plus 5 will save the day. 5 plus 5 is 10. Amazing.
Let's meet the partners that make number
10.
9 loves 1, 8 loves 2, 7 loves 3,
5 loves 5 and
4 loves 6. They all join hands to make the big
10.
10. Friends, let's make 10 with our bodies. Stand up. Are you ready to move? Let's go.
Stomp your feet 10 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jump up high 10 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Shake your hips 10 times.
Shake it, shake it.
Count with your body number.
10 in the forest by the sea, at the farm and in the sky for you and me. We finally found